Today, I'm putting the Xiaomi 17T against the iQOO 15R side by side to see which one actually makes sense in 2026. On design, the Xiaomi 17T feels more polished with a matte finish and slightly curved edges, while the iQOO 15R goes for a flat, gaming-focused look that feels more aggressive in hand. Both phones are smooth, but the Xiaomi 17T edges ahead with better color tuning, while the iQOO 15R pushes higher refresh rates that gamers will appreciate. Performance is close, but the iQOO 15R has a slight advantage in sustained gaming, while Xiaomi feels more balanced for everyday use. Cameras are where Xiaomi pulls ahead, especially in dynamic range and low light, while iQOO is decent but not as consistent. Battery life is similar on both, but Xiaomi's software feels cleaner, while iQOO packs more gaming features and customization. If I had to pick, Xiaomi 17T is the better all-rounder, but iQOO 15R wins for gamers who want raw performance. Which one would you choose? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick comparisons.